Hello everyone, it's been long that we haven't seen each other due to this lockdown, due to this COVID-19, the pandemic. Now there are many things that have happened that must have happened in your life. Ups and downs, staying at home, not going out, and so on. Now the most important thing that we need to do in this lockdown is to keep yourself healthy. How to do that? Number one, you must have come across the word social distancing. That means you need to maintain social distance from one another. Number two, you need to wash your hands on a regular basis, 20 seconds, multiple times in a day. Doesn't matter. Even if you pick up a small patch of books from one end to another end, still you need to wash your hands. Third, whenever you go out, you always wear a mask. And when you talk to someone, always the distance has to be maintained. Alright, today I'm going to speak about one of these topics, which is known as the immune system, which is the most important thing. That means that was the first thing which I told you, to eat healthy, to be healthy. Now, how to be healthy is one thing only in your body that can keep you healthy is your immune system. Now, immune system, we have studied about it in school, in science, but I'm not a science teacher. I am a chef. I would love to be a chef. I'm not going to sound as a science teacher as well. So I've done a PPT which we'll go through it within like minutes or so. Before that, I know you all know what's our immune system, but still I'm going to tell you. Okay, immune system is a system which is in your body, which has a lot of organs, tissues, cells, etc., 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 which helps your body from protecting of any germs. So, in short, your immune system acts like a military. If you consume any kind of a pathogen, a bacteria enters your body, the immune system stands there. It tries to attack the germ, okay, and it kills it. But it will only kill it if your immune system is strong. If your immune system is weak, it cannot do that. That's the reason why we fall sick quite often. Alright, next, a very good example of that is your own skin. Now, why do we have the skin? The skin is a protective covering to a human body from all the external germs, so that the germs do not enter in directly. Take another example of a mosquito. The mosquito comes, sits on your hand, like wherever, it bites and it goes away. But we do not know. We later on feel itchy and we see a red bump on your hand. Then we realize, okay, there's something bitten. Then we realize, oh, it was mosquitoes. We have a lot of mosquitoes around. But what do? We can't do anything. But there's one person who is very active in that. That's your immune system. The time the mosquito sits on your hand, the immune system gets to know that military comes all the way from all the parts, from all the organs or wherever, and it starts working on the germ. Because the moment the mosquito starts to bite you, it releases some kind of a bacteria in your skin. And if your immune system is not strong enough, you will fall sick. A good example of a mosquito bite would be malaria. Why that happens? Because your immune system failed to kill the germs of malaria. That's the reason why you fall sick. You get feverish and so on. So today I'm going to speak about this immune system a little bit more than being a chef. So what about immune system? Why we always say that you need a very good immunity to be healthy, to grow. Okay, what are we going to do is we are going to go through all of these 6 pointers in a while. So I'm just going to tell you what you need to know. The first thing, what is the immune system? Where is the immune system in our body? Third one would be, what are the 3 types of immunities? Fourth, what are signs of a weak immune system? Fourth, how to boost your immune system? And the last, superfoods to be healthy. Okay, coming to the first one, what is immune system? The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defend the body against infection. The immune system keeps a record of every germ or a microbe it has ever defeated, so it can be recognized and destroyed by the microbes quickly if it enters the body again, which means that the immune system is smart enough. If the germ has entered your body previously and it has attacked, the immune system has attacked it previously, and again that same germ microbe tries to enter your body, the immune system knows that this one had come before, this is the second time it's entering, and there you go, they attack it again. The immune system attacks the germ. Why? To keep us healthy. That's the most important thing. That's the whole work process of the immune system. Now you see, where is this immune system located in your body? There are 5 main parts where your immune system is located. The first one is the tonsils in the throat. The second one is the gland known as thymus. Third, bone marrow. Fourth, spleen. Now spleen is a purplish looking small organ which is located below your rib cage, on the left hand side, below your rib cage and your stomach. Now this spleen, what does it do? It acts like a filter. It acts like a filter, as in your red blood corpuscles RBC enters the spleen and it filters them and then divides it to your body again. Usually what I've read is RBC enters and they are developed through WBC, which is white blood cells, and then good ones, and then they are distributed to the body. And the last one is lymph nodes or vessels. These are 5 parts where your immune system probably helps them to protect from germs. Alright, next we will see what are the 3 types of immunities. Now there are 3 types of immunities. The first one is innate immunity, the second one is adaptive immunity, and the third one is passive immunity. Now I'm not going to bore you with all this theory part written on the screen. I'm just going to tell you in short. First, what is an innate or innate immunity? Now everyone is born with this immunity. Innate immunity is natural. It's a natural immunity. It is in your body from the time of birth. Now, coming to birth, there's one more thing which I forgot to tell you. Everyone has a different immunity level. Immunity level means, first thing, someone is born with a very good immune system, someone medium, someone is born with a weak immune system. Now, when you talk about immune system, you need to develop it. If you don't develop, your immune system weakens. How it weakens, how to develop, I'll tell you. Coming to the innate immunity, everyone is born with an innate immunity, a type of general protection. For example, the skin acts as a barrier to block germs from entering the body. That's a natural. Skin is natural on our body. Next is adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity develops through our lives. We develop adaptive immunity when we are exposed to some kind of a disease. Corona is a type of disease, a virus. And the last one is passive immunity. Passive immunity, it is an immunity which can be borrowed. For example, a baby, a mother feeds her baby. So she passes some kind of an immunity to that baby. That's known as your passive immunity or borrowed immunity. We go on to the next one. What are the signs of a weak immune system? Now, what makes your immune system weak? First thing, your stress level. If your stress level touches up the sky, obviously your immune system weakens. How? When you're in stress, you do not sleep, you're awake the whole night, your eating habits change, and so on. That weakens your immune system. Second, you always have cold, you have runny nose. Next, you always have a tummy trouble, indigestion. That's again due to stress level. You have indigestion, you have diarrhea, nausea, and so on. Your wounds are slow to heal. If you have a cut or a wound on your body, it takes time to heal. Next one, you have frequent infection. That means if your immune system is weak, you quite often fall sick. because your immune system, your military cannot conquer over the germs entering your body. And the last, you feel tired all the time. That means even the the lightest job makes you tired. That means your immune system is weak. That's why you always say you should, have good exercise every day, and so on. Go on to the next, bang opposite to this. How do you boost your immune system? The very first one, eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. Now, when you say fruits and vegetables, in vegetables, I would emphasize on green leafy vegetables. The dark green leafy vegetables will definitely help you to boost up your immune system. Next thing is exercise regularly. Even a 30 minutes walk per day is okay, but you need to do some kind of a physical exercise on a daily basis. Maintain a healthy weight. You don't keep on eating, healthy weight. Get an adequate sleep. Sleep well for 8 hours. Try to minimize stress. Take steps to avoid infections such as washing of our hands frequently and cook meats thoroughly. Now, same thing, again example of COVID, the pandemic which we are going through, we are midst of it. We say washing of our hands. We wash our hands, yes, we should always wash our hands on regular basis for at least 20 seconds, probably between your nails. Trim your nails, and between your nails, that's where this virus sits. Now, 20 seconds, we say like, yeah, 20 seconds, it gets done. Ho gaya, 20 seconds. No, how do you know 20 seconds? It's the thumb rule for cruise liners. Those who have worked, those who have trained, they would know. We always used to say happy birthday twice. By saying happy birthday twice, 10 seconds, happy birthday to you. You keep on washing your hands. And once you sing twice, 20 seconds done. Wipe, dry, sanitize, done. Next thing is cook meat thoroughly. Doesn't matter whatever you're eating. Not even meat, I would say even a boiled egg. During this pandemic, I would cook everything. Personally, I do not like a hard boiled egg. I would like a soft boiled egg. But still, I would cook my egg thoroughly and eat it. When it comes to meat, doesn't matter whatever you're eating, might be chicken, mutton, etc., etc. Please cook your meat thoroughly. Coming to the next one, we reach a very important thing, again related to boosting your immune system. Now here are some superfoods that would make you healthy. Now to build your immune system, there are different types of foods, there are different types of pills, tablets that can boost up your immune system. But do not take them, they are artificial. There's vitamin C, vitamin D, you can, but the more naturally you do it, the better it is. Your immune system doesn't boost up within a day or two or so. It takes months or years. That's what I've read. It takes years. But to weaken, it doesn't take time. But to boost up, to grow a healthy immune system, it takes a while. And how? On a regular basis, you can consume some kinds of nuts or seeds. You can eat vegetable, as I said, emphasize on green leafy vegetables. Good vegetable locally found is your spinach. Next is berries. In India, we do not get multiple types of berries. Yes, it's seasonal, I do understand, but the moment the season is there, one will buy dozens of strawberries or mulberries. Next is fish, available locally. Olive oil, green tea. Usually we say green tea is a detox. Yes, it is a detox, but it's healthy though. Yogurt, or curd, and the last one is avocado. So these are some superfoods that releases energy in your body instantly. I would add up to this is water. Always stay hydrated. We are in the midst of almost coming to an end of summer. We should always consume a lot of water. Water is one of the most important superfood which I would add up to the list. Alright, and one more thing is dark chocolate. Usually we say dark chocolate is not a food. You just eat chocolate because you like it, you love it, you like the sweet taste. But no, dark chocolate is healthy. But if you say I'm going to eat dozens of chocolates in a day, not possible. you can consume, but for a limited period of, I mean, in a limited quantity. But dark chocolate also gives you instant energy. Alright, coming to the next one. These are some 7-day dietary plans by nutritionists. So there are seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 meals I can show you very quickly. The first meal, so we say day 1, you can eat an egg with spinach with some beans. So you can make an egg Florentine with some sauteed beans. That's your day 1 meal done. Second meal, you can use some black beans, broccoli, brown rice. So I can use the brown rice with the black beans, make some Mexican rice with it, and followed by some good sauteed broccoli or blanched steamed broccoli. Third one is waffles. Day 3, peanut butter and blueberry. Why not make a waffle? Put some peanut butter over it and some blueberries. Not only blueberries, you can use any kind of berries indeed. If not that, use some nuts, it's okay. Next is fish. Today I'm going to have fish. It's day 4. So fish with some nice steamed carrots or honey glazed carrots with some orange beans or green beans, or what we normally do is your green bean almond. Next is day 5, which is tomatoes, basil and mozzarella cheese. Now this mozzarella is a buffalo mozzarella, what I'm talking about. It's very healthy and it's fresh mozzarella, which has to be consumed within 24 hours. So now with these 3 ingredients, I can only think of one salad, which is salad caprese, which consists of tomatoes, mozzarella cheese and basil. Drizzle with some olive oil, done. Day 6 is a salad made with any kind of lettuce, avocado and grilled chicken. And day 7 can be a wrap. Wrap, you can use chapati, healthy, any kind of processed meat, and again a kind of lettuce. Alright, these are 7-day plan, so you can use it on your dietary plan. Next are a few links by some chef like Jamie Oliver, who does a lot of healthy dietary meals, calorie counted meals and so on. These are few of his links what I put on this video. So you can just type this link on your phone or a desktop or a laptop and access all the healthy immunity boosters what he does. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.